Hello, welcome to Baking Your Way Through Depression. I'm your host, DeAndre Griffin, and today we're going to be making a cheesecake New York style because I can't stop thinking about killing myself. See you in the kitchen. This is my beautiful niece, Gabriella. She's making her special appearance. It's just pepperoni. Okay. So for this, you're going to need a spring-form pan, which is this pan right here. Has a little thing on this. As if a 6-year-old could do it, so can you. Cake. This is the first slice. I cut a little piece. I'm DeAndre Griffin, your host, and just want to remind you that even broken things can be good.